Good morning everyone. In this video we are going to discuss monohybrid cross. As you all know, the father of genetics is Gregor John Mendel, and Mendel done monohybrid cross. In monohybrid cross we take single characteristics. Like in this cross you can see color of the flower is taken, the dominant trait is yellow and the recessive one is green. So the gene for the yellow trait is capital Y, and for the green it small y. So the first step is gamete formation. When the gamete formed, capital Y and small y, each homozygous parent in the F1 generation produce only one kind of gamete. So when the possible combination came, the possible combination are capital Y, small y, capital Y, small y. So all the offspring in the F1 generation bear yellow color flower. It means that no offspring in the F1 generation is of green color. It means only dominant trait can express itself in the F1 generation and no recessive trait will appear in the F1 generation. When F1 generation offspring cross-pollinated with each other, then the F2 generation came, and the offspring of the F1 generation, 3 are yellow and 1 is green. If we talk in phenotypic ratio, so the phenotypic ratio of the F2 generation is 3:1. Why is it 3:1? Because 3 offspring is of yellow color and 1 is of green color. And if we talk about genotypic ratio, then you can see there are 3 different types of gene: capital Y, capital Y, small y, and small y. So there is single parent of capital Y, and there are 2 parents of capital Y, small y, and there is single offspring of small y. The ratio is 1:2:1. So the monohybrid cross is also known as law of segregation, and no recessive trait express itself in the F1 generation, but recessive trait will express itself in the F2 generation. This is the diagram of sex determination in human beings. As you know, the male gamete is sperm and it is being released by testes. The female gamete is ovum and it is released by ovary. So father produces sperm that contain X and Y chromosome, that is heterozygous in nature, and the mother contain X and X chromosome, it is homozygous. So during the gamete formation, the gamete formed are X, Y, X and X. At the time of fertilization, X may get combined with the X, Y may get combined with the X. So if X gets combined with the X, the kid will be girl, and when X get combined with the Y, the kid will be a boy. So this is a diagram of sex determination in human beings. So heredity is basically the transfer of characters from parents to offspring. As I told you, no DNA copying is 100% accurate. So there are chances of error. So when there is any error takes place in DNA copying, then we get certain variations that makes us different from our parents. Thank you.